In this episode of Penny's Thoughts, episode 13, we're talking about the Adidas T Mac 3 away colorway shoe. But before we get into this classic, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop a new content to the channel, and also hit the like button if you like the video, so that way this video can go as far in the algorithm as possible. And be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. This shoe is slated to drop December 1st for a price point of $150. The shoe is primarily black with hints of royal blue all over the shoe, but let's get into some of the details. On the side of the shoe, you see the 3 black Adidas stripes going down. You have a black T Mac logo. You have on the sole, you have a royal blue plate on the sole. You have like little royal blue, like a line of royal blue on the top of the shoe. You also have, you have that not authentic, I want to say synthetic crocodile black skin on the shoe. Then you also, on the tongue, I don't know, you guys can't see the tongue, but on the tongue you have a blue Adidas logo coming down. You have black laces, and on the other side of the shoe you have a bunch of stripes going on the side of the shoe. Now, my memory from this shoe from back in the days when they came out was a lot of AAU teams had this shoe. Like, this is like one of the shoes that Adidas would send out to the AAU team so people, kids could play in them and things like that, man. If you guys are familiar with, playing sports and stuff like that, a lot of, companies, Nike, Adidas, Under Armour, those are just a few I can think of. They send a lot of stuff out to the teams who they sponsoring, and they give them opportunity to playing some of the newest shoes. So I remember playing against teams that was sponsored by Adidas, and they had this shoe in a bunch of different colorways, man. I remember seeing T Mac playing in a white, black, and royal blue pair to match his Orlando Magic jersey, man. If you guys are familiar with the Orlando Magic jersey, especially the royal blue one, in New York City, everybody had that T Mac Orlando Magic jersey with the stars in it. Everybody had it. Like, that had to be one of the most sold jerseys during that time. That one and the Allen Iverson royal blue one with the red and white, man. Like, those two jerseys was all over the streets of New York, with the fit that had to go with it, the big jersey, the big t-shirt, the big jeans and things like that, man. So, like, we were doing that a lot back in the days. This shoe brings back a lot of memories. And T Mac, he did a lot of classic things in this shoe, dunking on people, violating people, man. He was a monster when he was with Orlando, and then when he went to Houston in the beginning, he was a monster there too, man. So yeah, I'm all for this shoe coming back. I'm all for Adidas bringing this shoe back for people to be able to, get that nostalgia look and feel from, back in the days and things like that, man. If you guys disagree, man, leave it in the comments below. Let me know how you feel about this shoe coming back. Did Adidas get it right, or did they get it wrong, man? And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.